Ow! Oh, my head.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of bed.
Hello, I am Rasha Akhtia and welcome to my video. So if you're new here, then do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to do a thrift try on haul. So before starting it, I really wanted to share one thing that I bought all of the clothes last year, even before the coronavirus thing started. So we don't know where the clothes come from, right? It might come from anywhere, from China, from wherever it is, and we don't know if it's safe or not. So just avoid thrift shopping for the time period. But I really wanted to show you some of my collection because I really love them and they are like really good and the material is really good and they look so nice. So yeah, that's why I wanted to share some of my thrift clothing to you guys. So I bought everything way before the coronavirus even existed. So yeah, I just wanted to show you because I really love them, and since you're at home you might enjoy watching this type of videos. So yeah, that's why I'm going to show you some of the clothes which I bought from thrifted shops. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, the first shirt is a black shirt with red and white flowers. I'm really sorry if it's hard to see, but I'll insert a try-on clip. So yeah, I really like this shirt. It's quite airy and it's quite light and it's black, but you can really wear it in summers. It's quite nice. I really love this shirt, and I don't remember for how much I bought this, but it's not more than 150 rupees. Yes, it's not more than 150, it's below that. So yeah, I bought it from Dimapur. So my mother is from Dimapur and we often visit there because that's my grandmother's place, and I always go for thrift shopping there because you get amazing clothes there, literally amazing clothes. As you can see, this shirt, it's quite nice, and most of the items which I'm going to show you today are all from Dimapur. So yeah, if you're thinking to go to Dimapur for shopping, then you should definitely. So the second shirt which I'm going to show you is also from Dimapur, as I already told you. So this is a leopard print shirt and I really love this. So I guess there is another shirt, this one which I will show you later on, and this one I guess I bought both of these for 150 rupees in total. Yes, I bought these two in 150 rupees. I know, and it's quite nice and flowy, and the material is also very good. It's quite light so that you are able to breathe in summer. So yeah, I really love this shirt as well. So the next shirt is obviously this one. As I told you, I bought both of them for 150 rupees only. So yeah, this is also from Dimapur and I really love this shirt. This is a formal shirt with white collars and you can wear it anywhere you like. You can wear it even for birthday parties, and even if you're going for formal dinner or stuff. So yeah, I really love this shirt. It is also quite light and airy and I really love this color, which is peach. So yeah, this is the third item which I bought from Dimapur. So the third item which I bought is a t-shirt. So yeah, this is the green t-shirt. So it's quite oversized. I really love wearing oversized t-shirts. I really love the detailing. So yeah, that's why I bought this one. I bought it for 100 rupees, I guess. I don't remember clearly, but it was quite cheap. It was around 100-150 rupees. So yeah, this is the fourth item, which is a basic t-shirt, and you can wear it anywhere you want to. So the fifth item, I guess, is also from Dimapur and it's a t-shirt, and this is a basic t-shirt as well. It's oversized too and it's a Star Wars t-shirt. So as you can see, it's written "May the Force be with you." So yeah, I really love this t-shirt too. and it's quite light and soft, and I really like how this fits my body. So yeah, I really love this t-shirt as well. So I bought it for 100 or 150 as well. I bought this one and the green one together. So yeah, the last two items which I'm going to show you are from Sarojini Nagar. And yeah, I don't have to tell you about Sarojini Nagar because it's the most famous place for buying thrift clothing. So yeah, so this is the clothing. It's a sheer top and it's quite oversized, and I like to pair it with a belt. So yeah, it's quite light and it's quite breathable, as you can see, and you are not going to believe for how much I bought this top for. It was for only 50 rupees. Yes, the thelas which you can see in Sarojini Nagar where the prices are fixed, I bought it from there. It was only 50 rupees and I really love this. So this is one of the best pick which I bought from Delhi, and I really love this. I really love wearing this with a belt. So the last item which I'm going to show you is from Sarojini Nagar as well, and this is this black top. So this is a type of a bohemian top and I really like this. Quite light, it might be black but it's quite breathable and you can easily wear it in summers. So yeah, this is the last pick, and I guess I bought it for 100 rupees, and it really looks good when you wear this one with blue jeans. Oh, I'm really sorry because this wasn't the last item. I really forgot to show you this top. This was also from Sarojini Nagar and I bought it for 200 rupees. I tell you guys, this is the softest top I have ever seen on a budget of 200 rupees. It's quite nice and you won't get a top like this anywhere. And what happens with prints like this is that they fade away quite easily, but as you can see, this won't, because it's quite nice. The print is quite nice and it won't fade away ever, and it fits my body quite nicely. So yeah, I really love wearing this t-shirt. So yeah, this was the last item.
Often I'm upset